In this video we present the new and improved high-sensitive chlorine cell for the low-concentrated chlorine determination. Originally developed for the Multi-EA 5100, it is fully compatible with existing systems with potentiometric chlorine module, the Multi-EA 5000 series and the Multi-X 2500. Centerpiece of the development was the introduction of a whole new detector cell. The detection principle is the halogen determination by a potentiometric measuring cell. The halogens chlorine, bromine, and iodine are titrated against silver and are reported as chlorine. Here you see the traditional high-sensitive cell for potentiometric determination of the chlorine content. This is the new detector cell. Instead of a combined sensor electrode for the detection of the silver content inside the electrolyte, the new cell has two separated half cells. The preamplifier changed for that reason as well. All connection in the back of the system are the same and the setup is fully compatible with our classic detector setup. The new reference electrode still applies an inner electrolyte, but this has the same composition than the electrolyte in the main cell. This leads to faster equilibration times, less drift effect and a more stable drift overall. The system will be operational much faster. It can be stored dry, the diaphragm or salt bridge will not clog when left at ambient condition over longer periods. Therefore the lifetime of the electrode has increased and the maintenance effort has decreased significantly. The whole setup is free of mercury and much more environmental friendly. The orientation of the salt bridge is defined by the polymer holder. When installed correctly, the salt bridge is perfectly aligned to our second electrode, misorientation is not possible. The cap is only used for protection when the electrode is stored or in transport. Overall, handling and maintenance has improved significantly. The second half cell of our new electrode set is the sensor electrode. It is housed in a robust polymer body and more or less maintenance-free. For cleaning, just rinse the surface with water. For storage and transport, a cap can be applied. It can be stored dry as well and is just placed in the appropriate lid opening. Alignment is realized by the hole orientation. Connection of the electrode is just as easy. So upgrade your chlorine system now.